In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a drink mock-up very quickly in Canva. And no, you don't need Photoshop. You don't even need to leave Canva. Everything is done inside of canva.so. Let's get started. Alright, so if you haven't already watched my other videos, I do recommend watching those because they will help you out along the way. But let's just get into this video. So first thing you want to do is actually go ahead and make the label for your drink. So I've gone ahead and created a new design. It's a standard 9 by 6 inch label. So you can see right here I have my label. I've already created this design, so I'm just going to delete everything. Now obviously you want to add all your text, your graphics, whatever you want on your label.so. Once you have something like this, you're ready to move on to step 2. So what you want to do is actually go to apps. Once you go to apps, you want to search up and select mockup. Once you select mockup, you want to scroll over until you see the one that is a cup. Go ahead and click on that. Next, what you want to do is actually select the bottle or the cup that you want. So you can see right here, there's tons of different cups and bottles that you can use. So what you want to do is actually upload your own image. So go ahead and click on upload. Select the image that you want. So obviously you want an image of your drink.so. I've gone ahead and uploaded mine. Let me go ahead and click on it. Next, what you want to do is actually select the bottle or the cup that you want.so. You can see right here there's tons of different cups and bottles that you can use.so. What you want to do is actually upload your own image. So go ahead and click on upload. Select the image that you want. So obviously you want an image of your drink. So I've gone ahead and uploaded mine. Let me go ahead and click on it. Now what you want to do is actually fit it to the cup. Now you want to make sure that you're selecting the actual bottle or cup itself. So right here you can see I can move it around. I can't really do anything else. Now you want to go to edit image. Once you go to edit image, you want to go to transform. From here you want to make sure that you select the bottle or cup.so. I'm just going to go ahead and select the bottle. Right here you want to actually change this to fit to crop. So go ahead and do that. Now what you want to do is actually click on this arrow right here. You can see my image was cropped. What I like to do is actually bring the image back up. So I'm just going to double click right there. I'm going to resize it. Just make sure that it fits the bottle. So now you can see it fits perfectly on the bottle. Now what you want to do once you have that is actually go to more. From here you want to make sure that you're selecting your background color. I like to select transparent background. Once you select that, go ahead and click on the background. You can see it's selected. Now what you want to do is actually go to share. You want to click on download. If you want to add some sort of a shadow behind your text or your graphic, what you can do is actually go to your elements and look for a shape. But for this tutorial it is already done, and that's it. Super easy to make a mock-up in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to get me to 1,000 subscribers. Also, if you want to buy me a coffee, the link is down below in the description box. But thank you guys for watching. Buy me a coffee.